Sanibona bafethu, uvane lo. So kunenkinga entshantsha kwisquad Orlando Pirates. Yes, I spoke about ama-defenders Orlando Pirates, ama-center backs. I spoke about ama-midfielders Orlando Pirates. Ngayishaya ivideo ngenza leyo nto leyo. So kunenkinga entshantsha engisathana kwi-sport. Kulama-right backs lawo. Orlando Pirates inama-right backs ayi-5 kahle kahle. Kunomdlali engingambalanga la kule list yalabadlali engibabhela uSibelebele. USibelebele-ke naye ungomunye wabadlali osathanda kufika. I think he was the last signing yenziwe Orlando Pirates uSibelebele. So lana nginoMashilioni, uVan Rooyen, kububani Bandile Shandu noLumjida lo uLebitso. So for these players bama right backs Orlando Pirates, Mashiloni is another right back osathanda kusign from uBaroka. So ucoach omusha Abdeslam Wadu ufikile ku-Orlando Pirates waqalisa bani wafielda uMashilioni against iSikhukhune United. Many people were not okay with that decision. I too was not okay with that decision, but ke umjida he played the game leya yabo. I don't know, his performance was lukewarm, but ke some people may say otherwise. Abanye bangasho okunye abakuthandayo, but indlela adlala ngakhona mina I wasn't happy yabo, because he's not an overlapping midfield. He's not an overlapping right wing back yabo, because Orlando Pirates ile team le idlala ngama right wing backs. So kulabadlali abathathu simbe eceleni uMashilioni is that right back. Uyi right back nje ngempela, not a right wing back. Yonke sengiyidiscoverile ngoMashilioni, he's not a right wing back, but he's a right back. He doesn't go forward at the numbers ashaya ama-cross. So njengoba sengiyidiscoverile leyo issue leyo, ngisalela abadlali abawu-4 abanye ngizobala noSibelebele. uSibelebele uya-overlapha ephambili at the numbers, ubuya futhi i-wing. Ngizobala uShandu, ngibala uLebitso. uShandu noLebitso kuma-team ababadlalela baba-wing, bafika ku-Orlando Pirates baconvertwa badlala as ama-wing backs. uLebitso kwi-Chippa United was a winger, uShandu kwi-Maritzburg United was a winger. uVan Rooyen kwayi-wing back idlala ku-Stellenbosch. So mina ngokwami, yes, it's a tough decision. Yes, the boy usamusha bafethu uMashilioni, sobona kuma-games asisazowadlala ukuthi uzosi-impressa kanjani, but ke kule game esiyoyidlala against iMamelodi Sundowns siyayidinga i-right wing back e-right. Siyayidinga ngempela i-right wing back e-right ezofika abafethu isenzele umsebenzi. iMamelodi Sundowns akusiyona team yokudlala. Sundowns akusiyona team yokudlala, nayo isaneyinkinga right now. So kumele siyithole nje ngempela isaleka. Kumele siyithole isaxhuga, because meke nje sayinikeza ithuba lokuthi iphefumule izohlaba ngempela. Izohlaba nje ngempela ngesikho esikhulu. So kumele siyithole okwamanje isaxhuga ngempela iSundowns. So lana kulama wing backs lawa ngizofuna ukukhetha i-right back e-right, because inkinga ngempela le. Inkinga ngempela sifuna ukuyiwina i-league. I-league mesifuna ukuyiwina kumele sifielde one of the best players. Yes, i-rotation is a good thing, but kumele siyenze i-rotation i-team masiwina. For me, uVan Rooyen is the perfect choice to start against iMamelodi Sundowns. Abanye abantu bangasho okunye, but for me uVan Rooyen. But ke if umjida engekho available, maybe Sibelebele or Shandu or uLebitso. Yes, the guy uMashilioni is a good guy, but maybe second half rotate the squad, angene second half umjida awathola ama-minutes. Awathole nje ama-minutes, because inkinga yangempela le bafethu. Inkinga yangempela, and kumele i-address ukusasemanje. Singayi phambili sesiyafika ephambili, sesiyafika kwi-Sundowns. Ngingasayibali-ke le game i-Sundowns iyodwa, ngingasayibali nje iyodwa, sengibala ama-games wonke ePretoria Premiership, sengibala nama-games e-Champions League. Isquad isiningi kakhulu bafethu. The only thing e-perfect amele yenze ucoach ukuselect abadlali aba-right abazokwazi ukudlala with each other. Abadlali nje ngempela bafethu abazokwazi ukudlalisana kwi-Pretoria Premiership, bakwazi ukudlalisana kwi-Champions League. Abadlali abazokwazi ukconnecta noSipho Chain. Abadlali abazokwazi ukusiza ama-wing back, ama-wingers up-front yabo. So we need those kinds of players. We need that kind of player lapha kwi-right back position. It's a cursed position ku-Orlando Pirates. Thabiso Monyane is doing well kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. He was playing that right back position. He's doing well kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. Asazi kwenzakalani lapha, each and every player odlala lapha uba nenkinga yokulimala. Angazi noma uzolimala yini uMashilioni benoSibelebele, the new signings, we don't know. But again, for me that's a cursed position, but siyamdinga umdlali oyedwa ozoba yi-standout player kuleya position. Yebo, ungangitshela ama-comments for you ubani ozoba yi-standout player. Umuphi umdlali ofisa ukumbona edlala against iMamelodi Sundowns? Umuphi umdlali ofisa ukubona ayibe yi-starter obe yi-starter nje kule season le iyonkana? For me, I think uSibelebele is one of those guys. Maybe uLebitso, give him a shot. Bandile Shandu, maybe he may redeem himself. Mashilioni, I don't know, maybe stage fright, team enkulu yokuqala empilweni yakhe. Van Rooyen, but Van Rooyen is a perfect choice. Ungangitshela ama comments who is your go-to guy kuleya position yaka right back.